Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Welcome to another practice video about verbs. I hope that you have taken the time to memorize the verbs from the previous lessons. If not, then for now you can refer to your notes because we will be using those verbs for the sample sentences in today's practice video. I will give you 5 seconds to answer each question before I provide the correct answer. If you need more time, you can always pause the video. Let us begin. Complete the following sentences by supplying the correct verb. He or she smiled at me. Ngumiti siya sa akin. I eat pork. Kumakain ako ng karne ng baboy. Irene runs every morning. Tumatakbo si Irene tuwing umaga. Lauren screamed when she saw the snake. Sumigaw si Lauren nang makita niya ang ahas. He or she will choose between the two of you. Pipili siya sa inyong dalawa. Why are you calling? Bakit ka tumatawag? You will earn 10,000 pesos weekly. Kikita ka ng 10,000 piso linggo-linggo. Camille climbs mountains every Saturday. Umaakyat si Camille ng bundok tuwing Sabado. I will lie down on the sofa. Hihiga ako sa sofa. Dad is becoming old. Tumatanda na si Papa. Form the following sentences in Tagalog. You may use the vocabulary table as a guide. I will buy a car. Bibili ako ng sasakyan. The married couple are laughing. Tumatawa ang mag-asawa. The prisoners will escape tomorrow. Tatakas ang mga bilanggo bukas. He or she already left. Umalis na siya. He or she is earning a lot. Kumikita siya ng malaki. Rose drinks alcohol. Umiinom ng alak si Rose. Or, umiinom si Rose ng alak. Shirley stood in front of the class. Tumayo sa harap ng klase si Shirley. Or, tumayo si Shirley sa harap ng klase. Grandma went to Ilocos. Pumunta sa Ilocos si Lola. Or, pumunta si Lola sa Ilocos. So if you remember from our previous lesson that if the subject is a term that you use to address other people, like Lola in this case, you use the subject marker si. They sing at the church. Kumakanta sila sa simbahan. The baby cried loudly. umiyak ng malakas ang sanggol. Or, umiyak ang sanggol ng malakas. So, how well did you do in today's practice video? Did you get a perfect 20? Let me know in the comments. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.